2-story beautiful single-family home with stunning views from the top of the large cedar-fenced backyard. Open floor plan with great views throughout the home. Decorative double crown molding lends an elegant feel. Large master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, including his and hers vanities and a nice size walk-in closet. Second bedroom has 3 walk-in closets that are great for toys and storage. Additional third bedroom or office space. Only 2 years old in beautiful Ely Park.